Alright, so ever since I got my 1991 Honda Accord, which I still got some more work to do on it, my front dash clock has never worked. I would love to see it work, but it just always stays dark. Sometimes I gotta hit it a little bit. Let's check it out. For it to work, I gotta manhandle it a little bit. Well, it's not working. No matter if I press some buttons. Nope, never works. So I'm gonna take it out. Oh, there you go. It started working now. See, there's like a loose contact. There's something loose in there. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna pry it out with a flathead screwdriver, and I'm gonna see if there's any connections that are obviously, you know, breaking or causing issues. What I did was I removed it. Let's see now. Turn the key on. The clock works. Of course, I still have to set it up, but it was pretty neat that I was able to take it out. And all I did was straighten out the connections on the back because there's a little harness on the right side of it. Let me turn this off real quick. So then, that little harness, I realized that if I held it in a certain position, the clock stayed on. So then I realized it has to be the connectors, the little pins that come out of the clock, because the clock has the male pins. So I checked those. I used a little screwdriver right here, and I bent them just a little bit, just enough to where they go in, but they make better contact when they are in. So now clock turns on. So how did I take it off? The way that I removed it was you have to remove it from the left side first. What I used was a screwdriver. It's very delicate, so you don't want to break anything. But basically, let me see if I can redo it. What I did was I put it in there, I pried it in there, and it's not easy to take off, so I do not wish to take it off. There is another video somewhere on here about how to take it off without breaking it. Basically, you use this. It has a little clip on this side that you have to kind of dig in there, and the clock comes out. It is not an easy job at all, so I do not want to do it again. So I'm just glad that it turns on. I don't have to replace anything. It's right there. It works perfectly fine. It's never worked before, so I'm pretty happy. Sorry guys that I can't show you how to take it off, but there's another video on there that you could do it. This video is just basically to tell you how I fixed mine. How easy it was, besides the removal. And yeah, how easy it can be to change it. So there you go.